Model, 2016 Vauxhall Movano 2.3CDTi 136 L3H2 front-wheel drive 3.5t EU5 head gasket non-runner. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 162,456. MOT, the 10th of July 2024. Engine, 2298 cc 2.3136 PS BITURBO SE5C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: turns over tries to fire but coolant is pressurizing whilst cranking, head gasket needs replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is indecent, average condition. Interior is indecent, average condition. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,950. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.